So I wanted to go ahead and work your child's homework for them so that you were able to check it and know what was expected of them. So the first one is find the value of the coins below. We've done this a couple of different ways. The easiest way is the hairy money method, where they give each coin 1 hair for every 5 cents that coin is worth. So my quarters get 5 hairs, my dimes get 2, my nickel gets 1, and my pennies are bald. Then you just count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68 cents. The other way is to kind of just write their values in them and add as you go. So 25 plus 25 equals 50, 25 more equals 75, 25 more would bring me to 100 cents, and they could write either 100 cents or they could have written $1. I do not care which way they did it. Next is the value of the bills. Looking at them, we have, these are 1s, so we count by 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. And we have to have that dollar sign. The next one was 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, $35. Draw 2 ways to create 22 cents. There were many, many, many ways that they could have used coins to create 22 cents. I'm just going to do 2 simple ways. The first way we talked about, and I don't want them drawing 22 pennies, so we've talked about kind of writing a multiplication problem of 22 times my penny means the same thing as if I had drawn 22 pennies. The other way, I could have drawn 2 dimes and 2 pennies, and that would have represented 22 cents as well. They could have done 4 nickels, 2 pennies. They could have done a dime, 2 nickels, 2 pennies, anything to create 22 cents. $50, we need to use our bills. We've talked about 1s, 5s, 10s, and 20s. So just 2 ways. They could have done a $20 bill, another $20 bill, and a $10 bill. Or they could have done 5 $10 bills. They could have done 10 $5 bills. They could have done a 20 and 3 $10 bills. Any combination to get them to $50. The important thing is here that I can recognize that they were drawing bills and not circular coins. Then we move on to some word comps, and we said that they have to show their work. So Danny walked 2 dogs on Monday and earned $29. He walked another dog on Wednesday for $20. And on Friday, he walked 3 more dogs and was paid $45. How much did he make this week? So he made $29 on Monday, $20 on Wednesday, and $45 on Friday. Adding down, 9 plus 5 equals 4. Carry my 1. Adding down, I would get $94. So he made $94. Now, Granny had 3 quarters and nickel 12 pennies in her coin purse. How much money did she have? They could draw the coins, which is a way that I've highly encouraged them, or they could have listed 3 quarters is equal to 75 cents, 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents, and 12 pennies would be equal to 12 cents. 5 plus 5 plus 2 would equal 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 7 plus 1 would equal 9. So she had 92 cents. And in the last problem, it said Chen had 6 $5 bills and 3 $10 bills. How much did Chen have? Again, they could have easily drawn this. So 6 $5 bills and 3 $10 bills. And then they could have counted them 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, 60. Or even if they had gotten them drawn and wanted to write the value of their 5s, the value of their 10s, and added them to get 60. Either way, whatever method helps them. I hope this helps as you work with your child on their homework. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.